Throughout the MBA, you'll have the opportunity to focus on developing your strengths, understanding how you bring them to work, and understanding how you can optimise them. The continuous professional development curriculum is delivered in the first 6 months of your programme. We start off online with interactive and immersive sessions before welcoming you onto campus at the 6-month point. It's a great opportunity to immerse yourself in your own professional development journey, but also in everything that London has to offer.
We had different sessions with lecturers, psychologists. You analyze different aspects of your career and professional development.
How to present with impact, how to follow our passion, how to connect with people, all areas we need to develop to be great leaders.
The one that actually sticks to my head was strengthening my executive presence. That was one of the most important parts of that week.
You also will attend the 2-day Achieving Your Potential programme, which is unique to BAYS. During this, you'll explore your career, performance and productivity, as well as your individual aspirations and what you need to do to achieve these.
If I could frame it in one sentence, a week that helped us understand ourselves better and understand the people around us better.
Students tell us that the skills and knowledge acquired have really supported them in their professional growth, in their leadership journey, and in unlocking not only their potential, but the potential of the people and teams that they're working with.